warm welcome to everybody, and we have with us another future doctor of the country, Dr. Kumkum. I would not say the future doctor, I would say the registered doctor of the country now, Dr. Kumkum Mahajan. And Dr. Kumkum has scored an amazing score in this recently conducted FMG exam on January 12, 2025. Warm welcome, Dr. Kumkum. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, good evening. Today, it is the first time I'm saying that I am Dr. Kumkum Pooja Narendra Mahajan. और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Like, I cannot express what I'm feeling right now.
Dr. Kumkum, please tell me about your journey. Like, where are you from and which university did you study?
In India, I'm from Maharashtra. I'm from a small town called Srirampur. And I went to Georgia in 2018. I did my MBBS from Georgian American University in Tbilisi. And then I came here and joined Arise Academy.
Okay. Dr. Kumkum, from your small town in Maharashtra till Georgia, how did this journey happen? Tell me something about this part.
Yes, I started like when I was preparing, I was in 11th and 12th. I had my focus towards biology, that I want to do something in medicine. But I was not sure that I will become a doctor one day. But I was looking towards biology side only. And then after 12th, I got same score in maths and science. मैंने सोचा कि अगर मैं पढ़ सकती हूँ, then I should study for betterment of society. So I chose this side, medicine, and then I started looking for options. फिर NEET qualify हुआ, I got a good score, but I had option of going abroad. So पहले से attraction था कि दूसरे country में जाएंगे, पढ़ेंगे. Then I started looking for countries which is good one. Then I saw this beautiful country, Georgia, and a good university there. And so looked for contacts and then took admission there.
Nice, nice. कैसा था जॉर्जिया का एक्सपीरियंस? कैसा था आपको? यूनिवर्सिटी लाइफ कैसी थी वहाँ पे?
It was very beautiful. Like from day one to the last day, it was very nice. I like thank for each and every moment that came in my life in this 6 years. We had a course for 6 years. And like from first year only, we started clinical exposure and all. मतलब हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी वाले पहले हमें 6 months में 2-3 बार लेके जाते थे हॉस्पिटल्स, और फिर बाद में थर्ड ईयर से दे स्टार्टेड फुल क्लिनिक ओनली
पोस्टिंग्स.
यस, तो वो क्लिनिकल एक्सपोजर प्लस उनका टीचिंग वगैरह बहुत अच्छा था. तो फिर फन भी था और पढ़ाई भी थी, तो एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत अच्छा था.
Hello, nice. And Dr. Kumkum, throughout the university life, you were liking the whole learning experience. जो मेडिसिन में जो enthusiasm से आए थे कि मेरे को कुछ contribute करना है सोसाइटी. Did you enjoy that learning process?
यस सर, जब हम क्लिनिक्स में जाते थे तब टीचर ऐसे बोलते नहीं थे कि यू कम एंड डू दिस स्टफ. इट वाज लाइक जब हम इनिशिएटिव लेंगे, जब हम बोलेंगे कि मैम कैन आई डू दिस, तब हमें चांस मिलता था. तो आई नेवर केप्ट माई सेल्फ बैक. हर जगह मैं कहती थी हाँ मैं ये करूंगी, हाँ ट्राई तो करके देखते हैं.
So you have to be proactive. Basically, in this field, you have to be really proactive to, learn your skills and also to, take care of your patients also. जितना आप proactive रहेंगे, उतना सीखने को भी मिलेगा. And I think that actually gives you a better perspective of medicine also.
Yes, sir.
And were you apprehensive about this exam during your university days? या फिर आप confident थे कर लोगे?
No. I didn't even have idea about FMG till my third year of university. But I kept this thing that अभी जो चल रहा है वो अच्छे से करेंगे. यूनिवर्सिटी के एग्जाम्स अच्छे से क्लियर करेंगे, जो पढ़ा रहे हैं वो पढ़ेंगे. फिर थर्ड ईयर से ऐसा लगने लगा नहीं, अब इंडिया जाके भी एक एग्जाम होगी, उसके लिए पढ़ना पड़ेगा. तो बस यूनिवर्सिटी में जो सब्जेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं उनको मैं अच्छे से करती थी. बट आई डिडंट स्टार्ट लाइक हार्ड एंड फास्ट प्रिपरेशन इन यूनिवर्सिटी डेज.
Okay. And when did the seriousness for this exam come in? Like from third year, but basically कब आप books लेके बैठना शुरू कर दिए for this exam?
Last year only.
Okay. And Arise how did Arise come into your recognition?
When I was in last year, One of my friend, Dr. Advait Maske, he also graduated from the same country, and he suggested me. He was also in Arise, so he suggested me that faculty is very good, and they have good mentors. They will give personal attention, so you should go there. I took all the details from him and then just contacted Arise through him only.
Nice, nice. Okay. Did you attend any classes that were conducted by Arise in Georgia, Dr. Kumkum?
No, I didn't attend any of them, but I was not able to attend. Actually, it was so far from my apartment.
University. Mm.
So university and my apartment, so that I cannot travel there.
Okay.
And but I saw the reviews, so any of my friend who attended said that the session was amazing. Teachers are also amazing. You should have been there. So I was like कि मैंने अब तबिलीसी में मिस कर दिया है, तो अब इंडिया जाके तो मैं करूंगी अटेंड.
Nice, nice. Okay. And Dr. Kumkum, when you came back to India, like how much time did you take to make this decision, or were you prepared to come here to Arise?
10 days. I came to India, and in 10 days, I decided that we should go to Jaipur. And I live in Maharashtra, so it was a decision for me to take all my things and shift to Jaipur for 6 months. So in 10 days, I decided I'll shift to Jaipur for few months and do all my preparation there only.
Okay. इतना सारा कंटेंट तो अवेलेबल है, कंटेंट इतना इजीली अवेलेबल है, राइट? ऑनलाइन भी इतना सारा सब कुछ है. व्हाट मेड यू मेक दिस डिसीजन? व्हाई डू स्टूडेंट्स हैव टू टेक दिस स्टेप? व्हाट इज योर रीजनिंग बिहाइंड डूइंग दिस?
सर, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, मैं एक जगह 8 घंटे बैठ के तो नहीं पढ़ सकती. मतलब घर में इट इज वेरी हार्ड फॉर मी टू सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ एन आईपैड और लैपटॉप एंड वॉच वीडियोज. तो मैंने देखा कि इतने इंटरैक्टिव क्लासेस है, एंड जब भी क्लास होता था आई वॉज द वन सिटिंग एट द फर्स्ट बेंच. तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि ऑफलाइन ही बेटर होगा, एंड देन आई ऑप्टेड आउट फॉर offline course.
Okay. And how was your experience there? With you must have met so many different teachers and some amazing faculties at Arise. Please mention how was that experience for you?
Yes, the faculty is amazing. Like, I'm so grateful to them. First of all, like starting from first, like for my first subject was pediatric, I guess. Dr. Sandeep, he was such a boost of motivation. And then मैंने सोचा कि first subject ही इतना motivating है, तो आगे के भी अच्छे ही होंगे. And then 6 months went by very fast. Then at the last, you came and taught us radiology, and I don't think so I missed a single question of radiology in exam.
Nice, nice, nice. And I think a lot of teachers come down. Pathology hai, right? Dhawan sir hai, Devesh sir hai, and
Yes, sir.
Mohit sir. Each one brings in their own charm, their own
Yes.
motivation to the whole process, making it easier for the students. And a really good team also. I mean, and something which is very, very helpful for the students there. And Dr. Kumkum, please tell me your experience. वहाँ पे जो support system आपको मिला, like Arise Jaipur staff or even friend circle that आपने वहाँ पे बनाया होगा. Did you have many students from your university or very few students from your university there?
No, we were just 2 girls from my university. But I made a very nice group of friends there. Like,
Nice.
I had my own group. I used to sit with my own group, and I was friends with half of the class. I used to
Nice.
go and talk to everyone. I used to go and say hi, good morning to like half of the class every day, and everyone knew me. I said hi like this was my thing. And teachers, talking about teachers, what I liked was कि breaks में teachers class में ही रहते थे. Most of the teachers, they never left the class. They left the class for 5 minutes. And मैं वहाँ बैठी थी, तो मेरे दिमाग में अगर कोई भी डाउट आया, कोई भी पर्सनल या फिर स्टडीज के रिलेटेड, I used to go and ask them directly. There was no hesitation about it. So ये support, like, it is I cannot like stop thanking for that.
Yep.
Also, I would thank you Salman sir, who said that उन्होंने कहा था क्लास में कि जब तुम पास होंगे तो तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स के बाद हम ही है जो वेट कर रहे हैं रिजल्ट सुनने के लिए. तो फिर they had such a support and they believed in us so much, so that we had to study.
True. And I think, all this journey that we see with students, such dedicated students and hardworking students throughout this process, and such a crucial exam. It's something that, they cannot be a plan B for the students. And उस time पे इतने सारे, pressures के साथ जब बच्चे लड़ते हैं ना, that is an amazing journey that we see, and how successfully they come out, and so many students doing so good. Dr. Kumkum, what was your score and which attempt was this?
This is my first attempt, and I scored 215.
Nice.
Yes.
Dr. Kumkum, coming from all the way first attempt at 215, did you plan for this? Were you studying? You told me that you were studying from the final year or something, but this course don't seem to be that.
Yes, I started studying in final year only, and I started with clinical subjects first. Means मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि मेन सब्जेक्ट्स पहले कर लेंगे, फिर एनाटॉमी फिजियोलॉजी ये सब तो देखेंगे बाद में, और फिर अराइज में ही लाइक फुल फोकस सब सब्जेक्ट्स अराइज में ही हुए.
Nice. And Dr. Kumkum, please tell me something about the training process. जो colored workbooks मिलते थे आप लोग को. I mean, आजकल इतना कंटेंट अवेलेबल है कि आपको सेल्फ डाउट आते लगता है कि भाई ये बस हो जाएगा या फिर ये सही चल रहा है. How did you maneuver through these thoughts?
सर, जो 19 वर्कबुक्स मिले थे ना, इट वाज माय ओनली सोर्स ऑफ रीडिंग. मतलब मुझे तो लग रहा था यही कंटेंट ज्यादा है तो मैं इसके बाहर क्या पढूं. तो वही आई स्टिक टू दैट 19 वर्कबुक्स ओनली, एंड मैंने वही वर्कबुक्स को बार बार देखा सो दैट कि यही मेरे दिमाग में फिट हो जाए, और कुछ एग्जाम में और कुछ ना याद आए पर ये वर्कबुक्स तो याद आनी ही चाहिए. एंड इट लाइक द कंटेंट इज सो क्रिस्प कि क्वेश्चंस मुझे लगता है उनमें से ही आए. बाहर के ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस तो थे नहीं, मतलब जो तो आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है वो तो आएंगे ही, बट विच वेर देयर इन आवर कैपेसिटी वेर ऑल फ्रॉम वर्कबुक.
Nice. And when did you start giving your GTs, Dr. Kumkum? Like, कब से आपने GTs करना, और what was your initial GT scores?
Yes, GTs is my strong point. I always tell everyone to give GTs. I gave in total 13 GTs.
Nice.
And I started giving GT on the first day I started my preparation. At that time, on the first day, I scored less than half. And means it was something around 144 out of 300. And I thought कि preparation के starting में ये score ठीक है. And each GT I gave my score was increasing. In Arise app, like the team, we had around 10 GTs, I guess. Somewhere like collection of subjects, somewhere particularly part 1, part 2. So that my score kept increasing. Last GT I took was in December, last 31 December, I think, and my score was 210.
Nice. I think almost reflective of your main score, and your
Totally, sir.
main exam was your best score, I think, right?
Yes, and also main exam भी एक GT ही लग रही थी, क्योंकि इतने GT हो गए थे कि ऐसा लग रहा था सेम ही है. और फिर it was like same. Second last GT, my score was something 199, and then it was 210, and in exam it was 215.
Nice. You picked up at the right time, and to get really high scores.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And Dr. Kumkum, after the classes are done, at Arise, there is also no classes of T&D, rapid revision, fast track revision classes भी होते हैं, QRP session भी होता है.
Yes, sir.
How did you utilize these resources towards the, after your 90 subjects are over? Do you think they were helpful, or did you follow your own study plan?
No, sir. I followed Arise timetable only. After the 19 subjects were over, T&D started. So T&D के साथ साथ एक सब्जेक्ट का रिवीजन होते गया. और फिर there was फास्ट ट्रैक रिवीजन ऑफलाइन 1. तो ऑफलाइन 1 मैंने अटेंड किया, और फिर जो सब्जेक्ट जो T&D में रिवीजन बच रहा था थोड़ा वही कंप्लीट करते गई. और फिर एंड में जो लास्ट के 10 days थे उनमें आई स्टिक टू मेन सब्जेक्ट वर्कबुक्स लाइक सर्जरी, PSM, ऑब्स्काइनी और मेडिसिन. ये 4 सब्जेक्ट के वर्कबुक्स ओनली आई वाज रीडिंग इन लास्ट 10 days.
You were loyal to your main notes.
Yes.
Right?
I believe that there is a picture memory, right?
True.
So if I'm changing my sources, तो वो pictures mix हो जाते हैं. So I was stuck to my main notes.
That's right. And actually, that's the right thing to. If you really want to score really high, you have to be loyal to your main notes. अगर
Yes.
आपको बस पास होना है, तो you can try to use all these gimmicks. But I think if you stay loyal to your main source, you get very good scores also. Hmm. And कभी ऐसा सेल्फ डाउट आया, सही चल रहा है, कहाँ पे आगे, राइट? Did you have these feelings any time during the preparation phase?
यस आई हैड प्रिपरेशन. मुझे लगता था कि मैं बहुत स्लो पढ़ रही हूँ
Hmm.
और कंप्लीट होगा कि नहीं, कंप्लीट होगा कि नहीं, ऐसा लगता था. पर फिर मैं फिर से एक नया प्लान बनाती थी और फिर से एक नया प्लान फॉलो करना स्टार्ट कर देती थी. पर एट द एंड इट ऑल फॉल इनटू प्लेस और सब कुछ कंप्लीट हो ही गया.
Yeah. I think it's all at being adaptable, right? So हम जो
यस.
सोचते हैं, it is not always like you need to be 100% following that, और अगर नहीं हुआ तो disappoint होना है. You have to keep adapting and seeing that, trusting the process and evolving through the process. Hmm. And डॉक्टर कुमकुम महाजन, आप एग्जाम डे का बताइए एक्सपीरियंस. कहाँ पे सेंटर मिला आपको, एंड हाउ वाज द होल एक्सपीरियंस एट द एग्जाम सेंटर?
So my exam was in Hyderabad.
अच्छा.
And traveling from Maharashtra to Hyderabad, first of all, I didn't know how to go there. And should I go by flight or should I go by train? I
आप
was very
जयपुर से कैसा है, महाराष्ट्र में आगे थे आप पहले?
yes.
हम्म.
जैसे ही TND खत्म हुआ था और
हम्म.
फास्ट ट्रैक रिवीजन खत्म हुई थी ऑफलाइन, मैं महाराष्ट्र आ गई थी. देन आई
हम्म.
कंटिन्यूड माय प्रिपरेशन एट होम.
हम्म.
और फिर मैंने सोचा कि मतलब हाँ, एग्जाम वाले दिन my mom and I, we both went to Hyderabad,
हम्म.
and my dad was insisting that I will also come with you.
हम्म.
But then it would be so pressurizing for me. So I said my dad to stay at home, to stay at the business,
हम्म.
and my mom and I, we will do it. So
हम्म.
we both went there, and on the day of exam, I was confident कि जो होगा कर लेंगे.
हम्म.
And main thing, I forgot my admit card in the hotel.
Oh.
Then thanks to the auto driver who took me back to the hotel and we brought it again. So we went to, reached there on time and then went inside with cool mind and went in. And then when I saw the first part, I was so like, I was like कि अब नहीं होंगी pass. I was so scared looking at the first part of the exam. But then when I came out again, my mom made me calm. She said, we don't care about the result. We know how much you are prepared and how much you gave to this exam, because she know that I used to study.
हम्म.
So she said, don't worry, whatever will be, we will accept it. So then I went again inside, and second part, I felt like, yes, now I have chances that I will pass the exam. And then second part, I did it good, and then it was nice.
I think that reassurance from your mom in the break, after the first paper, actually, helped you also, to relieve
Yes,
the anxiety also.
yes, sir.
And just tell me this journey with your parents, right? To be able to send your daughter all abroad, Georgia, alone in a new country and at 17, 18 years of age. How difficult was it for them and for you?
Yes. So I am a single child, and
Mm.
my mom and dad both have their separate businesses. So they
Mm.
are always busy, but they always support me in everything.
Mm.
They never pressurize me about anything, but they are always that whatever decision you take, we are there with you. They
Mm.
guide me. They always tell me what is right and what is wrong. So when I said that I want to go abroad for studying, so my mom was very supportive and my dad was very emotional.
Mm.
Then sometimes my mom consoled my dad, sometimes my dad consoled my mom, and then they made that hard mind to, yes, send them. When we were traveling first time to the airport, like he was dropping me to the airport, I saw that tears were flying from his eyes like this, and he was not showing me. He was so like, but I saw that, and that day I decided that I will make him proud one day.
And you did it in style and with such good scores. And I can
Thank you.
understand as a dad how that feeling must have been, and that to a single child, right? So it's a strong decision, and that is what this journey about these FMG students is, right? A lot of dreams and aspirations, and how they work through this whole process to achieve that. And I'm really happy for you, Dr. Kumkum.
Also,
And
sir, I would like to add, when I was there in Tbilisi for 6 years. So I used to talk to my mom for half an hour daily. Like
hmm,
I used to give her all the updates. कि आज
hmm,
ये हुआ, ऐसे हुआ, वैसे. She was my best friend, my backup. मैं उनको सब बताती थी कि आज पढ़ा भी ये.
hmm,
And one like big thing I want to share, when I was studying now in the last
hmm.
few days, तभी मैं मम्मी को क्वेश्चंस पूछती थी. आपको पता है उजाला क्या होता है, उज्ज्वला क्या होता है? Then she was also like participating. My dad was also participating. It was like environment in my house.
You made your business parents to understand some of medicine.
Yes, so much of medicine.
Nice, nice. It's a journey of the family, basically, not just
Yes.
of yours. Nice, nice, nice. I think you should have that thing. I think it's important to keep talking to your parents, keep talking to your good friends, and make this journey doable rather than pressurizing in isolation. I think isolation is bad in this journey, right? And see many students. ये कुछ आप बताइए डॉक्टर कुमकुम, आपने कोई मिस्टेक्स देखे हैं लाइक बच्चे जो इस जर्नी में करते हैं, which you feel in your university days or when you come back here and you must have seen so many students, aspirants who are preparing for this exam. कोई सेलेक्टिवली आपके ध्यान में आता है कि सर ये चीजें अवॉइड करनी चाहिए?
Yes, sir. I feel कि यूनिवर्सिटी में बच्चे क्लिनिकल एक्सपोजर पे इतना ध्यान नहीं देते. दे जस्ट स्टडी द थेरी. बट मैंने देखा एग्जाम में कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे थे, हाउ वुड यू मैनेज दिस कॉम्प्लिकेशन, ये हमें क्लिनिक में पता चलता है. सो व्हेन आई वाज इन तिब्लिसी, आई वहाँ एग्जाम में मुझे ये याद आ रहा था कि हाँ ये देखा हुआ है क्लिनिक में, ऐसे हुआ था. So I was able to do that. People don't do that. And यहाँ आके preparation में students don't give GTs. I don't know, they are scared to give GTs, or they don't have time to give GTs because they are just reading the theory. But मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि theory थोड़ी कम पढ़ के हुई फिर भी GT देनी है, क्योंकि you prepare your mind for solving 300 questions, right?
ट्रू, ट्रू. जीटी एनालिसिस करते थे आप बैठ के पूरा, लाइक वुड यू गो फॉर योर ओनली मिस्टेक्स डन और वुड यू लुक इनटू द एंटायर जीटी एनालिसिस?
As I was giving Arise GTs only, so मैं रिव्यू करती थी, और फिर I used to from one question number 1 to question number 150, I used to see all the questions. But I never thought that इतने questions wrong हुए, इतने correct आए, ये नहीं सोचा कभी. बस right हो या wrong, I used to look at all the questions.
Nice, nice. And I think throughout this journey, that one thing that you were in, जो भी कर रहे हैं आप अपने मन से कर रहे हैं और खुशी से कर रहे हैं, even whether it was in Georgia, whether it was in your postings, whether you came back to Arise Jaipur and the way you studied, I think that firm determination, I would say, and the consistency and the discipline. First bench में बैठना in an offline class, I can know how difficult that must have been, right? And how every day would be a war to be there
Yes,
in
sir.
the same place. And I think that
Same place.
that discipline and that consistency, will give you that results. And I'm really happy for you, Dr. Kumkum. And first attempt such high scores, so you're gonna be an amazing
Sir,
doctor.
I would add to this that
Yeah.
sitting on the first bench and staying this consistent, there was a group of friends who supported me. Like I would give a shout out to Dr. Tazim, Dr. Aman Vyas, who always were like pillars for me. That तुझे आगे बैठना है, तू पढ़ेगी, तू हमें पढ़ाएगी.
Nice.
So that I was so like dedicated कि हाँ अगर मैं पढ़ूंगी तो मैं इनको पढ़ाऊंगी.
I think Dr. Aman also cleared with good scores, right?
Yes, sir, he also cleared with good score, and he was insisting me to share my thoughts with you, and
Nice, nice,
yes, he
nice.
has
Really
been
happy.
really support for me.
Nice, nice. Really happy. And then that is important to have good friends around you through this journey process. And वो offline classes का ये भी एक रहता है कि आप like-minded people and like-minded people who are having the same determination and discipline to get this done, and that makes the journey easier also and smoother also. Hmm. And
Also, when I was in Jaipur, uh, in the middle of sessions, like in the middle of offline classes, something happened, and I was so disturbed that मैंने सोच लिया कि मैं घर जा रही हूँ, मुझे यहाँ नहीं
hmm.
रहना, I'll just leave. और
Hmm.
मैं सर से बात करके ऑनलाइन में शिफ्ट कर दूंगी, और I'll continue my studies online.
Hmm.
But these friends were there who said कि यहाँ रहकर एक्सपोजर होता है बच्चों का और पता चलता है कंपटीशन कितनी है, कौन कितना पढ़ रहा है, तो यही रहे, हम हैं तेरे साथ, एंड सो आई स्टेड एंड आई कंटिन्यूड माय जर्नी देयर।
I'm glad you did, and you are a proud alumni now. Arise Jaipur will remember your efforts, your journey, and your score. And we are really proud of you, Dr. Kumkum. And we wish you a lot of happiness and a lot of success in future. And with such high scores, you should pursue your, with the same spirit and enthusiasm, all your future studies. And we wish you a bright future, Dr. Kumkum. Okay, great
Thank you so
talking to you.
much.
Okay,
Thank you so
all
much,
the best.
doctor.
All the best.